Hello, good day friends, welcome. This is the new quantitative platform that we're going to be stacking USDT for the week. You can see I've recharged my account with around 12 USDT. Now I'm going to be earning approximately around 33,000 naira plus over in the next 7 days based off the quantification level I'm starting up with. Now this is actually the conversion rate in dollar is that if you are watching this video from Nigeria. So quickly let me show you guys what you need to do to get started. Now for you to get started, all you just need to do is to click down the pinned comment in this video or you check the description box. I'm going to be making a live withdrawal, so make sure you hold on and see how you can earn on this platform. Now as you can see on my screen, there are different announcement level. For this announcement, it enables you to see how much you are going to earn. So these are all it entails. Now you can see what I'm starting up for. This one is around VIP 1, so make sure you go through this so you can know the one you are going to be starting up with. Now this is what I'm going to tell everyone that is watching this video. Please make sure after you are recharged, you are going to make an instant withdrawal daily. So watch what I'm doing now. Now all you just need to do for you to recharge is to click on recharge right here. Now after clicking on recharge, you are going to see there are different wallet address for you to recharge your account. Now you can see this is BEP20. BEP20 is normally my favorite wallet that I normally use, that is a network that I normally use. You can see I just copied the address and phone, but for you, depending on where you have the network that you have USDT, you can just choose any of them. Now the next thing for you to do is that you are going to click on quantify. Quantify is the second icon counting from my right. You can see an arrow pointing down at it. Now once you click on quantify, this is what you are going to see. Now this is VIP 1, right? For VIP 1, you can start with around 12 USDT and you'll be earning 25%, which is equal to 3 USDT. Now this is VIP 2, right? Now most likely is VIP 2 I'm going to go for after making this video. So you can see each of them is the percentage interest is different. Now this is an important disclaimer. This is not actually financial advice. I'm just showing you all the things I do on the crypto space in order for me to earn. So if you want to make do of this platform, please make sure you are making do of money that you can afford to let go, and make sure you are making withdrawal daily. So the next thing for you to do is that after you recharge your account, you come here, click on quantify, and the next thing for you to do is click on start quantify. Now once you click on this start quantify, that interest of that amount you started up with is going to be given to you. Remember I started with around 12 USDT, right? So you can see what I'm going to receive now is 3 USDT. For me to withdraw, all I need to do is to click on me. Me is the first icon counting from my right. There's an arrow pointing down at it, and then I can go back to my home page, close this announcement, and then I click on withdrawal. So I want to withdraw this 3 USDT instantly. So all I need to do is to come here, click on withdraw, and then the next thing for me to do is to make use of USDT BEP20. So let me go back to my address, the wallet I want to use to take out this my earnings. So I come here and click on BEP20 network. I tap on receive BEP20. Please make sure you are not making mistake when you are doing this. Now I'm going to show you guys, in order for you to get started, you need to register with a login password, and then you need to confirm those login password. So what I'm going to impute here now is my security password. Now there is a login password and then there is a security password. Now all this password that you need is during your verification process, that is your registration process. So quickly let me just do this again, and then I click on confirm. So make sure that you write these details somewhere so you can see my withdrawal is actually successful. I'm going to go back, so I am going to confirm that my withdrawal has arrived. Please make sure if you are seeing my channel for the very first time, you can also come and participate in an alpha project that I'm actually bullish on. It is called Caladio Finance Testnet Mining. For you to join that project, all you need to do is to find your way down to my Telegram channel. The link to my Telegram channel is in the description box of this video. If you have any question, please make sure you ask me in the comment section. So let's come here and confirm if our withdrawal has arrived. So let's refresh. Remember the amount that we had earlier on when we started here? This is still the amount. So let's refresh it so you can see. I refresh it again, you can see our 3 USDT just arrived. So the next thing you are going to do is that make sure every day that you come on this platform, you click on quantify. You can see there is a countdown, right? Now the secret for you to earn on this platform is always make sure that when you see this video, you ape in and start immediately. Make sure you are checking the date that I posted this video. So for the next 7 days, I'm going to be earning a good interest. I can still go back and further increase my VIP level. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.